Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. We are installing a new part on my Odin Road King. We got drag Specialties premium adjustable suspension. Alright, first let's see what's in the box. So you can see it comes with both of the shocks. They look pretty. And we got our instructions right here, and it's going to tell us how to set them up and everything. And then we got our spanner wrenches and some grease.
First, you're going to have to lift up. You don't have to sit on it. It's better if you don't sit on it, because you don't put any weight on it. Let's straighten out that wheel. You see it on that side?
It's a little bit further.
No, I'm just making sure it's not poking out on your side.
It's not poking out. Actually, right there should be good.
A little bit towards you. Look all of it.
Yep. Alright, set up the suspension right now. I'm setting it up so 7 1/4 inch on the springs, and then I'm on to a total height of 13.5 inches. So I have plenty of lean angle to work with. So I'll be test riding it home and hopefully it works out good. If not, I got the spanner wrenches to switch it up. So we got about an inch. It's got to come up.
Why'd you grab the small one?
This first I saw.
It's your life hard.
Can you?
Want to use this?
No, I'm already committed. On the other side. Oh, I see.
Hope that blue Loctite does its job with all that grease you just put in there.
Gave my offering to the motorcycle gods. We're good.
You start bleeding?
Yeah.
Put it down?
Sure. Thank you.
Well, take care of you, man. I know you're not used to getting hurt. You know?
Cool, cool. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
You can just go. Cool, cool. Kiss it.
So now this is easy. You wanna know why? On this side. The suspension's already being held up to the point of that other one. All you gotta do is just make sure it fits right. Once you can thread it in, then you can tighten everything up, and then you know it's the same height. What the British do? An old man. Fish on.
I don't think I know. I know.
Maybe.
And my ridiculous CPay. All right, now I just did a test ride. The suspension feels great, so now I'm gonna put everything back together and then go for a ride. I hope you enjoyed this install as much as I did. First, this install definitely had its challenges, and I highly recommend using a motorcycle lift. In order to do the 13.5-inch rise on the suspension, I had to remove the rear exhaust bolts so I can lower down the exhaust and bolt in the bottom part of the suspension. But once it was installed, I just simply reinstalled them. I have ridden the Drag Specialties premium adjustable height shocks for over 1,000 miles now. So here are a few of my takeaways. They are way better than the stock suspension on my 09 Road King. It handles really well. I really enjoy riding at the 13.5-inch height, raising my rear end. It makes it more fun for turns, and the lean angle is a whole lot more fun. So I'm absolutely pleased with this install. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Help us grow this community. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.